Good day guys, this is Justin from the Arsene Coffee YouTube channel and Facebook page. As always, if you haven't had a chance to do so, please consider supporting us by subscribing to the YouTube channel and signing up to the Facebook pages. Without further ado, today's a big day. It's a very big day. So we just got this guy here, and we've got our unit of measure, which is 1 yoko here. We're going to see what's hiding there. So I already cut the tapes so that I don't waste any of our time. Here we go. What could this be? It is, ladies and gentlemen, well, we'll discover together. All right. Very well packed, as you can see, eh? It just wanted to show this. That's really neat. So I'll get to reuse that. All right. What do we have here? This is the 470 WA, the loader that can be purchased on AT99, Eagle Mac, etc. It is, as it's commonly known, the I think someone referred to this as the Aliexpress loader. All right. So what do we have here? We've got the fork. Look at this. It's like with the size of my hand. It's pretty big. No, that's a huge bucket. Again, I don't know if you can see. I'll take it out the box. Right. Wow. This is really big. It's interesting because the box was significantly lighter than the one for the dozer and the 360L excavator. So I'm wondering, you know, when I'll get to put this one on the scale, what's going to come out of it. So there's a bunch of added parts that I cannot lose. Some additional paper. Oh, literally just a piece of paper, I guess, to protect. Right, not going to talk too hard on it so that I don't pop a hose like I've done with the dozer, if you guys remember. That's neat. Look at this. That's actually a metal wiper. And they've put the piece of paper to protect it from scuffing the window. That's very neat. Same here. So to protect the fenders from rubbing against the body. That's very, very well thought of. Now, I can see right away, like, this has been 3D printed. There's a bit of a texture to it. Nothing wrong with that. Same here. So what was interesting with this loader is that it's significantly cheaper from the, what's it called, the 870K, I believe. Is it the earth digger or was that the excavator? Anyways, I think it's the 870K. Much, much cheaper. And the reason being, it comes with the options. This guy, I think there's a quick release as well. Whereas you got to pay extra, which is probably close to, was it 300 US, give or take? Something like that, to get that on the 870K. She doesn't seem impressed. Also, it comes with a sound unit and a light kit pre-installed. So extras that you had to pay either way. I think the price difference was as much as 800 US between the two. It was huge. So this guy doesn't have the locking differentials. It doesn't. I really don't care for locking differentials for a thing that's going to be working that hard. Just another point of failure. What I'll do, however, probably, obviously I'll check the axles to make sure they're properly greased, but I'll put maybe 20 million oil or something really thick like that to emulate, you know, a locking diff mechanism. I've also heard that some of the servos are weak, so to be expected. So I'll you know, keep that in mind. I can't recall which servo though. I don't know if it's for the pump. I think it's for the pump servo, I believe. Someone will correct me if I'm wrong. All right, I'm gonna have to put this well, somewhere for a second while I take it out the box. Just one moment, please, guys. All right. very tight fit. Not as much as the dozer, but still. Close second. Oh. Oh, this thing is heavy. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Okay. All right. Sorry, guys. Not the best video job ever, but look at this. Yoko. All right. So you can see she's about 1 Yoko's in terms of size. So fairly big. Yoko's fairly small, but this is fairly big and significantly heavier as well. Oh, wow. Look at the size of the bucket. Insane. So it comes nice with a charger as well. I didn't even know. That's cool. I give this one away. Perfect. And what is this? Okay, yeah, the connections for the charger. All right. Let's take a closer look. Oh yeah, you see, when I'm pulling this, it's gonna immediately hit the window. There we go. Oh, and look at this guy. Wow, they really thought of everything. So the interior is 3D printed, unlike the dozer, which was all metal. So they've cut some corners, but you know they've cut the right corners. Oh, the handle has not been painted. What is it, scuffed? One or the other. Look at this. Wow. All right, we're gonna see if we can open up this guy. Sorry guys, I'm not quite sure what you're seeing at this point. It's tough to film with one hand and trying to do that at the same time. All right. So here we go. And a battery already in place. So you've got your pump motor, your where's your block? Your valve block underneath, your servos, the receiver in the corner there. And they always use like the 10-channel FlySky transmitter. It seems to be their go-to. It's a very good one. Tires. They are reasonably squishy. Much wider than I had anticipated, so here goes. I don't know what that's probably close to 3 inches actually. And it has quite a bit of articulation. I mean, for a dozer. What do you think? What's your opinion on that? All right. It's got little tow hooks here. Let's see what's in this box. Trying to one-hand this, not easy. I'm guessing the transmitter. That makes sense. I'm going to put this aside for a second. Sorry, guys. Yeah, that's the transmitter. Exactly the same as the FS, the FlySky. What's it called again, this guy? Guess the FS? That's pretty much what they use everywhere. Alright. What else? Are we missing anything else? So there's no quick release. I apologize for the fork, but it's just a matter of removing the clips maybe. Maybe the screws and a clip, perhaps. Anyways, it doesn't seem to be too complicated. Yeah. So, anyways, here goes. Apologize for the really shoddy camera work, but that's what it looks like. Let's see if I can show you underneath it. See this? Wow, it's got a lot of articulation. Super thick metal. I'm very impressed. You've got a shaft here, very thick shaft, metal shaft. And look at this big piece. All of this is metal. It's huge. That's about almost 3 inches. It is a tight fit in there, a very tight fit. Sorry, I'm trying to focus. Yeah. So that's it, guys. So I don't know the manual, they call it the XD model XD01, but it's marketed as the 470 WA, which is really what it is when you look at it. All right, I guess the next video will be one where I turn it on, and I don't know if it has any oil in the cylinders. Seems like there's a bit of pressure, so you know what? Possibly. Anyways, a video to come up with to follow up with that running video. Okay, guys, your time, appreciate that, and you know, we'll see what this thing can do shortly. Oh, I wanted to show you one more thing. Look at this fire extinguisher. They really thought of everything. Very nice. The level of detail is really good. All right, take care. See you in the next video. Bye.